Surat al-Jumu'ah, chapter of the assembly. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, whatever is in the heaven and whatever is in the earth gives glory to Allah, the King, the Holy One, the Sublime, the Wise. He it is who hath raised up among the common folks a messenger, one of themselves, to recite to them his signs and purify them by almsgiving, and to teach them the book and the wisdom. Though formerly they have been in error manifest, and others of them who have not yet adhered to them, he is the Sublime, the Wise. That is the bounty of Allah. He giveth it to whomsoever he willeth. Allah is the wielder of bounty, mighty. Those who have been loaded with the Torah and then have not carried it may be compared to a donkey carrying books. That is the likeness of the people who have counted false the signs of Allah. Allah will not guide the people who are wrongdoers. Say, O ye who have Judaized, if ye assert that ye are friends of Allah, to the exclusion of the people, desire death if ye speak the truth, but they will never desire it because of what their hands have sent forward. Allah knoweth the wrongdoers. Say, verily the death which ye flee from will surely meet you. Then ye will be brought back to him who knoweth the hidden and the revealed, and he will announce to you what ye have been doing. O ye who have believed, when proclamation is made for the prayer on the day of the assembly, endeavor to come to the remembrance of Allah and leave off bargaining. That is better for you if ye have knowledge. Then when the prayer is finished, scatter abroad in the land and seek the bounty of Allah, but call Allah frequently to mind. Mayhap ye will prosper. When they see merchandise or play, they disperse to it and leave thee standing. Say, what is with Allah is better than play and better than merchandise. Allah is the best of providers. Now, along with Surah 18 and 32 and 50 and 76, that is a wonderful chapter to say on Friday. And the day Jummah is the sunset, Friday to sunset. Thursday. So, well, I should probably say that in the other order, but we don't take the whole day off. We just take a longer break in the early afternoon. That's it. And where it can be done on site, some jobs actually don't give you enough time to go head to Juma, but they aren't forbidden for the few workers that are Muslim there to hold their own Juma under the stairs, or even or to step just a little bit further off. So that's one thing. But we remember God amidst commerce. We don't have to be monks that have sworn off official business and that sort of thing, or anything like that. That's just not the way. And we're not supposed to just carry around knowledge. We're supposed to enact the knowledge. What is the sermon? A sermon is you recite the scripture. You tell of the prophetic events or inspired sayings, doings, that sort of things. And then you contemporarily explain it. Prophet Muhammad told people to learn the languages of the people to, convey. And that's a lot of what I do on my channel. Think of it as translation, right? I'm translating things. Linguistically and culturally, psychologically. It's not that I'm practicing a different religion every month or every couple of weeks or something when I change the sort of book I'm sharing on my channel, or if I do a midnight show that's different than the rest of the content,